How to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting on your Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, from your main home screen, go to Settings. Then select All Settings. Now from here, go to Connections. From here, select Network. Now from here, you can select on the option of Reset Network. This will restore the default network settings. Then you could go to Network Settings. From here, you can select on the option of Wireless. Now go to the bottom and then you can select Manage. Then you can select a specific network and then select on Delete. Then again, you can enter password and reconnect to that specific network again. The last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that you can turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again. If you have connected LAN, you can disconnect and reconnect it again to your Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.